Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain using macros VBA code how to add, rename and delete the worksheets dynamically with a button control. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. Right now we have only sheet 1. Now we'll add, rename and delete the worksheets dynamically. Add new worksheet and clicking the button control, enter the name of the sheet. Let's add the name is ABC. The worksheet name I'm adding ABC, click OK. See here we got the ABC sheet. Now I want to rename this sheet from old name, enter the old name of the sheet. Old name, I want to rename the sheet ABC, click OK. From ABC to XYZ, click OK. See here we got XYZ. Now we'll delete the sheet, delete worksheet, enter the name of the sheet to delete, which is XYZ, click OK. Microsoft will prompt with a message, Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Click delete. So it's gone. You can rename the present sheet also, rename, enter the whole name sheet 1, okay. The new name I want to add Charan, click OK. See here we got Charan. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new blank workbook. I have selected the blank workbook and here we got the book 1 Excel sheet. Now, I want to perform three operations. One are to create a new worksheet, rename the worksheet and delete the worksheet. So for that I require 3 button controls. So here I am adding new worksheets dynamically with a button control. So first we require the developer option here on the menu bar. So by default it's not available. For that go to File, Options, click Customize Ribbon. Under Customize Ribbon in the main tab there is a developer option here. Select that developer option, click OK. And here we got the developer option. Now click the developer option. First notice in the controls there is an Insert Controls option here. Open that one. In the Insert Form Controls, I am adding the button control. So I require 3 button controls here. The first button control, let's rename that one. Edit text. Add new worksheet. Let's put here. Control C, Control V. Rename the worksheet. Rename worksheet. Now the last one, delete the worksheet. Now here we got 3 button controls. Usually when we want to add the worksheets, we use a plus symbol. Here we got the new worksheet. So I don't want to add here. I want to create a new worksheets with a button control. So for that I am creating the macros, and those macros I am assigning to these button controls. So to creating the macros, in the developer menu under code there is a Visual Basic here. If you click the macros here, notice right now we don't have any macros. Cancel that one, click the Visual Basic. Now when we want to create a macros, we require the module. So insert module. Here we got the module here. Sub new sheet is a method, is a macro name. New sheet is a macro name. Here I am adding, let's add dim X as string. X is equals to input box, enter the name of the sheet. This is a message. After that, sheets property dot add dot name is equals to X. That's it. Now let's save this file. Now I'm saving this file on the desktop under Excel files. The file name I'm adding create, rename, delete sheets. C for create, R for rename, D for delete sheets, and save as the type is very important. I'm saving this Excel macro enabled workbook. Click save. Now after that, switch over to the Excel sheet. Now select the button control, which is add new worksheet. Right click the mouse, assign macros. Click that one. Now we got the macro name here, new sheet. Click OK. Now when I click add new worksheet, let's check. We'll add the new sheet here. Enter the name of the sheet. Let's add the name Charan. The worksheet name is Charan. Click OK. So here we got the Charan worksheet. And now we rename the worksheet. For that, again switch over to the coding part. The module, instead of writing the same, dim X as string, enter the old name of the sheet. Enter the old name of the sheet. After that, we require another variable k. K is equals to is the new name of this sheet. After that, now here the code is sheets, the index object I am taking the X is the old name of the sheet, dot name is equals to, I am adding K. K is the new worksheet name. That's it. Let's save this file. Again switch over to the worksheet. Now select the name of the worksheet, right click the mouse, assign macros, and here we got we need to change the sheet name. This is a rename sheet. Now save this file. Again switch over to the Excel sheet, right click the button control, assign macros. Now we got the rename sheet. Click OK. That's it. Now click rename worksheet. Here notice we got the pop-up input box with prompting with the enter the old name of the sheet. The old name Charan I am adding here. I want to change the Charan to ABC. Click OK. See here we got ABC here. Let's rename it. Again we can rename from ABC to Charan. Click OK. Charan here. Now the final one is a delete worksheet. So again switch over to the coding part. Just copy this thing, paste here, del sheet, enter the name of the sheet. Here the sheets I am adding sheets X dot delete. That's it. Now save this file. Switch over to the Excel sheet, select the delete worksheet, right click the mouse, assign macro. Here I am adding del sheet. Click OK. Now let's delete worksheet. Click that one. Name of the sheet is Charan. I am adding Charan. Click OK. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Delete. So it's deleted successfully. What we do is enter the name of the sheet to delete. That's it. Let's save this file. Now let's check the final output. Right now we have only sheet 1. Now we'll add, rename and delete the worksheets dynamically. Add new worksheet and clicking the button control, enter the name of the sheet. Let's add the name is ABC. The worksheet name I'm adding ABC, click OK. See here we got the ABC sheet. Now I want to rename this sheet from old name, enter the old name of the sheet. Old name, I want to rename the sheet ABC, click OK. From ABC to XYZ, click OK. See here we got XYZ. Now we'll delete the sheet, delete worksheet, enter the name of the sheet to delete, which is XYZ. Click OK. Microsoft will prompt with a message, Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Click delete. So it's gone. You can rename the present sheet also, rename, enter the old name sheet 1, okay. The new name I want to add Charan, click OK. See here we got Charan. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained using macros to add, rename and delete the worksheets dynamically. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.